So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix audio not working after unplugging headphones. So first of all, as you can see here, I have no volume in my games. All you have to do is just to go here into this Roblox icon, click on it, and then go to settings. As you can see, I have this volume here. I need to make it up, and then let's get it down to so you can hear me. And then on the output device, make sure that you are choosing the speaker of your PC or whatever microphone you are using. And then you can make sure also to see more the notification settings of the game. As you can see here, I have master volume, music volume, finisher volume. You need to make it up. If this is still not working for you, go here, right click on this voice, and then open volume mixer. Make sure that the volume is up and the output device is chosen, and then go here and then make sure that Roblox is also chosen well. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.